Welcome back to Lifestyle Nutrition with Brian Diamond, and today we are going to learn about total daily energy expenditure. So you would have probably heard a lot of coaches and trainers throw around these big words. You would have probably wondered, what is total daily energy expenditure? What is TDEE? What is TDEE? Well, they're all the same, and don't worry, I'm here to clear that out for you. So just like the name suggests, total daily energy expenditure is the amount of energy that your body expends or spends on a daily basis just to keep you functioning properly throughout the day. And it's just to help you live your lifestyle smoothly, whatever your lifestyle may be. So that's what total daily energy expenditure is. So total daily energy expenditure is calculated using calories, and I've made a whole video about calories. I'll link it on the card right here. You can go watch that and come back, or you can finish this video and I'll add the link in the description down below. You can watch the calories video right after. Now, everybody's total daily energy expenditure is unique to that individual. So my total daily energy expenditure is totally different as what is your total daily energy expenditure. Now, it's similar to your phone's fingerprint scanner, because I cannot unlock your phone with my fingerprint, nor can you unlock mine with your fingerprint. So that's how unique it is. Total daily energy expenditure has 4 components. That's BMR, basal metabolic rate, TEF, thermic effect of food, NEAT, non-exercise activity thermogenesis, and EAT, that is exercise activity thermogenesis. I'll create separate videos about this and add a playlist at the end. So for now, I'll just give you another example. Have you ever played Monopoly? In Monopoly, you get a lot of cash. So let's just use this for this example, and let's just say all this cash is the amount of calories that your body has to spend on a daily basis. Your body burns about 1,000 calories just for you to survive. That is your BMR. Let's say you go to the gym, so burns a few extra calories. That's your EAT. Let's say you like walking to work and taking the stairs all the time, so you burn a lot of calories again. Let's say you eat some chicken. To process that chicken, you again burn calories. So that's basically how total daily energy expenditure works. Also, I have started a signature show called Document with Diamond, where I have intentionally gained 30 kilograms of weight with the sole purpose of bringing it all down by manipulating total daily energy expenditure. And I have not gone to the gym. It's been about 3.5 weeks. I've lost 8 kilograms. And if you want to find those videos, the playlist is right here. And if you want to find the playlist for the components of total daily energy expenditure, the video is right here. So that's pretty much it. If you reached this part of the video, I would really appreciate it if you press like, hit subscribe, and leave any comments with your thoughts or questions down below, and I will get back to them as soon as possible. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.